Hi, my name is Gant Nimani and I'm the sales manager for Joan. Joan is VisionX's flagship brand and it's our workplace management system. We offer solutions such as room scheduling, desk booking, visitor management, and overall workplace management solutions. So here you can see our proprietary devices, the Joan 6, the Joan 6 Pro, and the Joan 13. These are all Epaper based devices, which means that you can mount them as wireless devices. So the Joan 6 device has a 3 months battery charge, Joan 13 1 year, and Joan 6 Pro 6 months. But it also has an optional PoE wall mount if you want to have it connected at all times. If you use it as a wireless solution, you can simply put it on the wall using the magnetic mount. The magnetic mount has an adhesive on the back. You take it off, you stick it to the wall. It can be glass, wood, steel, and you simply connect it to the device. That's all the installation necessary. That goes the same for the Joan 13 and for the Joan 6 as well. On top of that, as I mentioned earlier, we do also have desk booking as a software solution. So you simply go to the app, you choose desks, you choose either a suggested desk or you simply choose the day. I'm going to go with Thursday. Then you pick your desk. I'll go with a Miami location, first floor. You see the floor plan here. You pick the desk. I'm going to sit right here, the overview, confirm reservation, and you're good to go. So now you have the desk booked for that particular day. We also have a desktop version, of course, and the desktop version offers a larger overview for the office managers. On top of that, we do have a free visitor management tool available right now for all of our Joan Desk and Asset users. However, in the second half of 2023, we will be launching the full version of the visitor management tool, which will be payable. If you'd like to learn more about our Joan solutions, please visit getjoan.com. Thank you.